So what I've done after my last video or my last update is that I have put in some changes into the main client application. Okay? And then I've added a server application. This server application is running on TypeScript, and obviously it uses Express. So obviously the aim of this server is to serve requests from the client and also communicate with the database so as to store information in the database when it is required. So let me give you a demo that my server is set up and running properly. I'll just type npm start into the terminal, start the server. All right, so this is a very basic server. Hopefully, if I refresh it, the server should, yeah, as you can see, Hello Express with TypeScript. The server has basically we have put it in a get request at the basically the root directory of the or slash URL, okay, if you know what I mean. And then in response to the get request, the server sends back this message. Okay, so basically the server is running properly. Okay. So let us now look at the changes that I've made to the client. Okay, before that, what I've done is also I have set up a GitHub page for this server. Okay. And all the files are linked onto GitHub. Okay. And as and when I make updates, I keep pushing those changes to GitHub. Okay. So now let us look at the client and the changes that I've made there. So just my client. Here you can see my client opens up. Uh, okay, so basically what I've done is that I've added a few more components. As you can see, I've and also renamed those components aptly as per good software engineering practices. I've named, for example, the instead of using custom button.tss, I've named it as hire me button.tss. Okay. So these changes I have made, and what else? Am I forgetting something? No, basically, yeah, that is it. I have added a few components and renamed some of the older components aptly. So this is the change that I've made to the client. So as of now, the client is set up as well as the server is up and running. Now we have to just link the client to the server, and then we'll be done. And I'm missing the most important thing. For that, I think I have to run this client because I have what I've done is that I have successfully been able to extract the email from the access token that is sent back from Google once we use the Google login button. So let me give you a demo of that too. I'll just start the server, the client server. Start. It will take time. It will take some time, and yeah, it starts. So let me give you a demo. I'm trying to in here. So if I log in using the Google button, as you can see, I can retrieve the name of the person who logged in using the Google login. So this was a difficult part uh, uh, with regards to the login functionality because anyway, if the person logins manually, that is by using a username or a password, it even registers by that way. Then we get the email of the person readily, and then we can link with the list of emails that we have to identify the person or like serve back data which is specific to the person. So that is very easy because we have the readily available. But in case of Google, obviously we have to extract that email. It is not readily available. So the fact that we have been able to, or I have been able to implement this feature here is one of the bottlenecks that I have overcome. Okay. So yeah, I guess this is pretty much it. This explains new things that I've done since the last update. See you in the next video. Thank you.